Listen and practice speaking skills. Hey Alex, how's it going?
Hey Emma. Not too bad, thanks. Just trying to survive the daily grind. How about you?
Oh, same old same old. Work, errands, and trying to find some time for fun in between.
Tell me about it. Speaking of work, how's the new job treating you?
It's been a whirlwind, honestly. Learning the ropes, meeting new people, and trying not to make too many mistakes.
That sounds exciting. What's been the most challenging part so far?
Definitely trying to balance all the different tasks and priorities. But hey, at least it keeps things interesting.
Absolutely. So, any exciting plans for the weekend?
Not really, just catching up on some sleep and maybe finally starting that book I've been meaning to read for ages.
Nice. Which book is it?
The Alchemist, by Paulo Coelho. I've heard so many good things about it, I figured it's about time I give it a shot.
Ah, I love that book. It's so inspiring. Let me know what you think once you finish it.
Will do. So, how's your photography project coming along?
Slowly but surely. I've been experimenting with some new techniques, trying to push myself out of my comfort zone.
That's awesome. It's always good to challenge yourself creatively.
Definitely. Hey, speaking of challenges, have you heard about that new fitness class downtown?
No, I haven't. What's it all about?
It's called aerial yoga. Apparently, it's a mix of yoga and acrobatics, done with these silk hammocks hanging from the ceiling.
Wow, that sounds intense. I'm not sure if I'd be brave enough to give it a try.
Oh, come on. It'll be fun. Plus, it's always good to try new things, right?
You make a compelling argument. Okay, count me in. Let's sign up for a class together.
Yes. It'll be an adventure. I can't wait. Hey, Sarah. It's been ages since we caught up. How have you been?
Hi, Alex. I'm good, thanks. Life's been busy but exciting. How about you?
Same here. Work's been hectic, but I decided to take a break today and do some shopping. Want to join?
Absolutely. I could use some fresh fruits and veggies. Where should we start?
Let's hit the produce section first. I heard they have a great selection of organic stuff.
I've been trying to eat healthier lately. Any recommendations for nutritious snacks?
Well, I recently discovered these delicious almond clusters. They're a perfect mix of crunchy and sweet. Great for a quick pick-me-up.
That sounds tempting. I'll grab a bag. By the way, did you hear about the new bakery in town?
Oh, you mean Baker's Haven? Yeah, their pastries are incredible. I might swing by there after this for a treat.
Speaking of treats, what's your go-to comfort food when you need a pick-me-up?
Ah, a tough question. I'd say a classic cheese pizza never fails to lift my spirits. How about you?
I'm a sucker for chocolate ice cream. It's my ultimate comfort food.
Nice choice. Let's make a mental note to indulge in our favorites this weekend.
Have you heard about the upcoming farmers market event? I heard they'll have live music this time.
That sounds fantastic. Count me in. Also, check out these handmade soaps I found. They smell heavenly.
Wow, those look lovely. I'll grab a couple for myself. Thanks for the tip.
All set with shopping. Fancy grabbing a cup of coffee at that new cafe around the corner?
Perfect idea. I could use a coffee break. Let's go.